trying to go around the outside, drops the wheel just out wide.
The battle brackets live up to their name. Pastrana makes easy work of his opening round.
Checker flag. Pastrana advances on, and like you said, Scott Speed with that inside line. What do we got?
Yeah, he's got it, hasn't he? And he runs up in wide immediately, yes.
Cannot make those mistakes against Scott Speed. That's really well done. Arpin just not even part of the equation.
Look away, there's the green. Releases the Subaru on the inside line.
Each round, the competition tightens. Pastrana feels the pressure.
Ooh, he had a wide swing there, losing some traction, Pastrana, and losing some ground.
All right, we got to make this count now. Hit your mark, don't overdrive.
Despite an early mistake, he perseveres.
You're doing it, you're closing the gap. Keep going like this, you'll get it.
Can he regain the lead? It looks like all signs are saying yes for the 199. Double thumbs up in the air. Pastrana takes that lead back to Harrison on that final lap.
Now bring it home.
Well executed by Pastrana. Speed and Pastrana will meet.
Both of them know it.
Speed and Pastrana, who's getting the whole shot? Green light means go. Drop that handbrake and get the launch. Both of them, wheel to wheel. Oh, look at this. Shots fired across the nose already.
Contact immediately in the first corner. Speed goes choker. Pastrana, standard lap. Pastrana has gone long on the jump and he runs really wide. Pushing so hard, Jared. He knows he's got one lap to edge one of the best in the business.
Hit the joker. Okay, now we just got to catch him.
Scott takes the win.
Looks like they are toe-to-toe right now. Scott Speed. Oh, look at Hansen trying to make an attack. Goes on the inside. See if Scott Speed's going to close the door up. Yes, he does. So who's going for the Joker lap?
She's wider, and you said Scott makes no mistake.
Oh!
Holy cow.
It's just when you got
the barrel.
He is on the limiter. He knows Scott Speed is perfection, and he is getting it.
Joker laps play out, and Scott emerges in front.
Scott back in the inside right here.
He controls the race until an aggressive move forces him wide.
He's got a shot. That's why we race.
Enough. He's going to have Speed driving on the mirror of the Peugeot's all over the inside. He makes the park. Is it too aggressive? The bumper's hanging off the front of the Peugeot. Speed drops back.
I'm not a steward on this. But, there's the bumper. You know, when you hit someone hard enough for the bumper to come up, not a great sign, but that was awesome.
Yeah, I know.
Timmy crosses the line first.
Pastrana with a great start on the outside behind Kevin Hansen. Pastrana can't run away through there. He might go the long way round.
Hit your marks now, hit your lap.
He splits off from Kevin Hansen, knowing Kevin will look to cover him off on lap 2.
Kevin will try to capitalize on this next lap.
Yeah, you can see Travis Pastrana going for that Yokohama Tire Joker lap.
He had to push. He's really good on the dirt. He needs to keep it tidy in the first 2 corners. Kevin Hansen goes into the Joker. How slippery is it for him?
Send it deep, bud. You're going to have to send it deep here. It's going to be on your right side.
Pastrana's going to go big over the gap. He goes long.
And he takes it.
Pastrana to the inside line.
At the merge, Travis is in front.
Hit your marks now. Bring it home. Hit your marks. You got 1 car length. He's going to push. Watch your inside. Expect the bump.
He's under attack for the remainder of the race, but he never gives an inch.
Watch the over-under in here. He's right on your bumper. Be careful coming through the left. Okay, bumper still. Bring it home.
Now he's going to get the win over Hansen.
Perfect. There you go. Oh, he did it! Yes!
There's only 2 slots on the front row. It's a good start. The inside line of Scott Speed. Tannebaum goes back a little bit. Liam Doran coming up towards the top 3. Sideways in turn 1. Doran drops back.
By 5, 6. No pressure from McConnell behind you.
Now Scott's not having to drive on his mirrors. He can just take whatever line he likes, and he's gapped him by another 6/10.
He is just doing what Scott does, and that's living up to his name. He's got the speed in his corner
And not making any mistakes.
With little drama, little stress, Scott dominates his heat.
Pastrana or Timmy, great start on the front row to Scott Speed. Timmy Hansen gets moved across, Travis Pastrana gets a huge whoa!
A critical impact in turn 1.
Oh, over the curbs on the inside line, Pastrana goes up the inside of his teammate. That was a really aggressive move there from Travis Pastrana in turn 1.
The team has no choice but to put the moment behind them.
Scott Speed is stuck on the outside. Kevin did what we thought he would do, supporting his brother. Pastrana can't afford to stay where he is.
Right through, one of the hands followed you. To me, the merge is key. We cannot crash the merge.
Each driver pushes for the advantage as the top 4 cars play their Joker strategy.
Timmy Hansen, Kevin Hansen, and now
Pastrana
Speed.
He's behind Scott. He's going to be behind Scott Speed. Is he going to try and go round him?
Drive like I know you can, bud. You're clear behind. All clear behind. You just have to finish there.
With 2 laps left, it becomes clear Travis can claim the title by finishing behind Scott.
So Travis Pastrana now can follow Scott Speed to the line. And if he's right behind him, they'll finish equal on points, but Travis will win on countback for number of wins.
That's right.
But this is the first time we've had a Nitro Rallycross Championship. The sun sets here in Florida on a brilliant season. Hansen from Hansen for the win. But Travis Pastrana is going to follow his teammate Speed over the line. And he is your 2021 Nitro Rallycross Champion.
By Dylan's algorithm, you just won. But let's just figure it out. All right, Scott's super upset. I would be too. I got bumped. It bumped me sideways. I couldn't get on the brakes. I really messed him up. I feel horrible, man. I am so sorry.
Confirm once again.
Is the champion based off of a tie break. He had 2 wins. Scott Speed had 1 win.